Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we will explore the MEXC Global Exchange, a leading platform in the cryptocurrency market that offers an array of trading options for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. MEXC Global Exchange is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive range of cryptocurrencies, and competitive trading fees. Whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or explore new altcoins, MEXC has got you covered. One of the standout features of MEXC is its advanced trading tools that allow users to track market trends and make informed decisions efficiently. When signing up for MEXC, you can leverage your experience even further by using my exclusive referral code, 12K4M5. By applying this code during registration, you'll unlock fantastic benefits that can enhance your trading strategy. Enjoy reduced trading fees, access to special promotions, and potential bonuses that can jumpstart your crypto journey. As you embark on your trading adventure with MEXC Global Exchange, keep in mind that security is a top priority. The platform employs robust security measures to protect your assets, ensuring peace of mind as you navigate the crypto world. Their dedicated customer support team is also there to assist you whenever you need help, making your experience smooth and enjoyable. In addition to trading, MEXC also offers various financial products, including staking options and yield farming, that can help you earn passive income from your cryptocurrency holdings. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of cryptocurrencies today with MEXC Global Exchange. Don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 during your registration to maximize your benefits and start your trading journey on the right foot. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos on cryptocurrency and trading. Happy trading!